Hello, John Hurlbut at the Altitude Homes team here, and today we're diving into two crucial aspects of buying a home: home inspections and home appraisals. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to expand your real estate portfolio, understanding these processes is key. So let's get started. A home inspection is a thorough examination of the physical condition of a property. An inspector looks at everything from the roof to the foundation and everything in between. Think electrical systems, plumbing, HVAC, the roof, and more. This isn't just about finding defects. It's also about understanding the maintenance the home will require in the future. Why is this important? Well, a detailed inspection can save you from expensive surprises down the road. It also gives you leverage to negotiate repairs or a better price before closing your home purchase. Now that you know what a home inspection is, let's talk about what a home inspection is not. A home inspection is great for giving you a general idea of how all the systems of the home perform, but the inspector is limited to the items they can see. So for example, I recently had a water leak in the primary bathroom of my home. It had been going on for years probably, and had a home inspector inspected my home as little as 2 months ago, there would have been zero evidence that water leak was happening. But once we opened up the walls and the ceiling, it was clear this had been a problem for a while. So the home inspection is not a 100% inspection of your future home, and having one is always better than not having one. Now, let's talk about home appraisals. An appraisal is all about determining the home's market value. An appraiser uses a lot of data: recent sales of similar homes, the home's location, its condition, and more. They're ensuring that the price agreed upon is fair based on current market conditions. This is crucial, especially if you're financing your home. Lenders require an appraisal to ensure the property is worth the loan amount. It's a safety net for them. Should you default on your mortgage, they know they can get the money back through a foreclosure. And for you, ensuring you're not overpaying for your new home. Now, let's talk about what an appraisal is not. I've had several clients tell me they don't need a home inspection because the appraiser will inspect the home. While it's true, the appraiser will do an abbreviated inspection of the home, they're not testing every system thoroughly. They're verifying there is a furnace, not that the furnace is working. Mostly, their inspection is limited to safety violations or obvious signs of damage or overly worn areas of the home. For example, they'll look at a roof from the ground and make a judgment on whether that roof has a minimum of 5 years of life left. They won't visually inspect the entirety of the roof. Having both an inspection and an appraisal provides a full picture of what you're buying and its value. While the inspection focuses on condition and potential future costs, the appraisal confirms the property's market value, which is essential for securing a mortgage. Together, they protect your investment and satisfy lender requirements to help you close on your loan smoothly. Remember, buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll make. Ensuring you have all the right information with a home inspection and appraisal not only protects your wallet, but also paves the way for a successful real estate transaction. If you have any questions or need assistance with your home buying journey, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and catch you at the next one.